Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I do have a live giveaway now and I'll put the link for that in the description box down below. If you are new to Allure Beauty, they've really stepped up their game lately, and it's about a $15, it is $15 a month beauty subscription. There's about 5 deluxe size, sometimes full size products in there for that $15. And like I said, their products and they've really stepped the game up. Where I think that they are struggling right now is their customer service. Most of you, or a lot of you, have already gotten this box, and I don't know if it's because I live in the Northwest and it just takes kind of longer to get to me. Not quite so sure. Anyway, let's dive into this box. So when you first open it up, it looks like this. There's a pamphlet, talks about all the products, and then all the products, they come in this kind of like plastic case. It does change every month. There's a different color. This is the first month. I don't know if you can see this, and I know some of you have complained about your cases being ripped in the past. I haven't had that until this month. You can see right here, it's completely torn down the side, so this is kind of useless to me. I have used past ones, you know, put your information in your glove compartment box, put that in there, or I wear a big tote most of the time, and I'll put like pencils and pens and stuff like that in there. So I have used these in the past. Carly Bible helped to curate this box, and the first item that I'm picking out is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. I normally don't wear a lot of liquid lipsticks, but I have been noticing that I've been reaching for the Anastasia brand more and more. And what it is, it's a fully pigmented matte formula that dries to weightless powder, smudge-proof wearability. The liquid lipstick delivers ultra-saturated, full-covering pigments in a wearable matte formula. Rounded applicator makes both lining and applying lip colors effortless. It is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. And a beauty tip is to mix 2 shades together for a custom lip shade. So let's open this guy up. Ooh, it's this really pretty kind of nude color. Here's what this looks like. Here's the tip. And let's just swatch that a little bit here. That's really pretty. And there's what that looks like. I don't know if I said or not, but this one does retail for $20. I'm so excited. I have never tried a Natasha Denona eyeshadow before, just because they are so expensive. Like this eyeshadow in this alone, one shade retails for $27. It is from the Natasha Denona Sunset Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $129. Now, I do have a code for you guys that is good through June 15th, and it is for 30% off the Sunset Palette and off the Natasha Denona website. That code is capital N, capital D, lowercase Sunset, capital X, lowercase Allure. And you want to use that at checkout for 30% off. So the shade in here is 131 DG Morgana. Here's what it looks like. It's this really pretty kind of copper metallic shade. Kind of almost goes with the eyeshadow look I've got going on right now. And let's just swatch. I'm anxious to swatch this. It's a really creamy formula. And let's just, ooh, this is really pretty. And that's kind of what it looks like there on the hand. I am so excited to have a Natasha Denona eyeshadow. You know, I love my Luxie brushes. Here is one that I do not have. It retails for $12. It is the 231 Small Tapered Blending Rose Gold. The Lexy Beauty Signature Rose Gold brush line features premium soft synthetic bristle encased in rose gold Frizz atop a chic pink handle. Our brushes are handcrafted to perfection using hypoallergenic, high-quality, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. And then for the 231, its recommended use is this petite brush tapered head with your favorite powder or cream eyeshadow to create more depth and definition while blending out harsh lines. Love this. I know you guys have, a lot of you have raved about this. This is the Laura Geller Inkcredible Waterproof Eyeshadow Eyeliner. This pencil retails for $22. It is their vibrant multi-dimensional color in the shade Blackbird. Its precision tip allows even application. Highly pigmented formula, stays vibrant all day. Super soft means no pulling or skipping during application. Waterproof and transfer proof, which I love because I have a problem with eyeliners being really transferred. They go to my lower lash and it's just a big old mess. So, looks like this. It does have this kind of little rubber part here that you would think of when you were in elementary school and you had a little rubber soft thing for your pencils. That's what it kind of reminds me of. And then here is the shade here. It's just your pretty black. It did glide on very nicely with no pulling or skipping. So far we have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size products already in this $15 box. And now I'm going to move to the samples here. Here we have from Briogeo. It is their Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protection Cream. This one is only 0.75 ounces. Full size of this does retail for $24. And the full size is 4 fluid ounces. And what it is for those dry, frizzy, or heat styled hair, I have the dry and frizzy. I don't normally have heat styled. It's the winner of the 2018 Allure Reader's Choice Award for Best Defrizzer in a clinical study usage of the cream reduced hair breakage by an average of 85%. It's vegan, cruelty-free hair care. And yeah, I think I do have the dry and frizzy hair, so I think that this one will help. Here we have from Vital Liberata. It is their Advanced Organics Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth. There are 2 of them in here, and you can get 8 of them when you buy them off their website. It does retail for $25, and it says never before has your phenomenal glow been so convenient. Phenomenal organic tan cloths are infused with our hero phenomenal formula for long-lasting, natural-looking tan and easy-to-use biodegradable cloth. Love the biodegradable part. It is enriched with certified organic botanicals and supercharged with advantageous technology. These handy cloths treat and condition your skin while giving you the healthiest, longest lasting natural tan. So this will be fun to kind of get you ready for those summer months. So what did you guys think about this box? I thought the box was great. I just wish that it would have arrived a little earlier in the month. So I think my 2 favorite things are going to be the Anastasia lipstick and the Natasha Denona eyeshadows. Super happy about both of those. Did you guys get the same things in your box? Did you get something different? Do you get your box earlier in the month? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, you guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me when you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye!